2026 BMW XM represents a bold evolution in BMW's performance and luxury lineup, combining cutting-edge technology with aggressive styling and powerful hybrid performance. As BM's first standalone M model since the legendary M1, the XM is not just an SUV, it's a statement of innovation and modern driving dynamics tailored for those who demand performance without compromising luxury or environmental consciousness. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW XM features a plug-in hybrid powertrain that integrates a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a high-output electric motor. Together, this system delivers a combined power output that surpasses 740 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs ever produced by the brand. The torque is equally impressive, providing instant acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Despite its immense power, the XM still manages to offer a respectable electric-only range, allowing for zero-emission driving in urban environments. BMW has taken a futuristic approach with the XM's design. Its exterior showcases bold lines, an oversized kidney grille, and sharp LED lighting that give it an unmistakable road presence. The rear features stacked quad exhaust pipes and a sculpted diffuser, further emphasizing its performance credentials. The design might be polarizing for traditionalists, but it perfectly reflects BMW's ambition to stand out in the luxury performance SUV market. Inside, the XM is a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin features a blend of premium leather, carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that creates a modern and comfortable atmosphere. The curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, offering drivers access to BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. It supports advanced connectivity features, voice control, and over-the-air updates to keep the system fresh and future-proof. Rear passengers are treated to exceptional comfort, with ample legroom and reclining seats that offer massage functions. BMW has also introduced what it calls the M Lounge in the XM, where rear seat passengers enjoy lounge-style comfort that is rare in performance SUVs. The attention to detail throughout the cabin reflects BMW's dedication to combining performance with refinement. In terms of driving dynamics, the XM doesn't disappoint. BMW's M engineers have fine-tuned the suspension, steering, and braking systems to ensure that the XM handles more like a performance car than a traditional SUV. Adaptive dampers, active roll stabilization, and all-wheel drive with a rear-wheel bias all work together to deliver an agile and composed ride. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising on highways, the XM remains poised and responsive. The 2026 BMW XM is also equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking systems. These features not only enhance safety but also reduce driver fatigue on long journeys. BMW's engineers have clearly worked to blend technology, performance, and usability in a package that redefines what a luxury performance SUV can be. With the 2026 XM, BMW has boldly stepped into the future, combining its rich motorsport heritage with modern electrification and luxury. It's a vehicle built for those who appreciate innovation, power, and exclusivity in equal measure. The XM is not just a car, it's an experience that signals where the future of performance luxury is headed.